Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders is having a club's blog hop for their September kits. For more information about the hop, head over to my coordinating blog post. I have that link provided in the description box below. And Spellbinders is giving away a few $25 gift certificates, so definitely go and check that out. Even though this is for a blog hop, I decided to record a quick video showing the two cards I created. For both of the cards, I'm using Spellbinders September 2021 card kit. I've already created 20 cards using this kit, but I still have a lot of leftovers. They really do pack these kits full. I'm using some fun pink pattern paper for the background, added a strip of blue pattern paper with little foliage pieces on it. Decided to add some Love from Lizi peel-offs along the edge. And these are the gold mirror in the pinstripe style. I'll layer this panel on some pink cardstock, put some ATG tape on the back, and adhere my card front onto a card base. And both of my cards are American Standard A2 size. I'm adding a large oval. I cut this out from some white shimmer cardstock, and the oval die is by Spellbinders. Just gluing it down using some liquid adhesive. Then I'll bring in some of the die cut pieces that are in the kit. I love this pink camper. It is adorable. So I'm adding that and also the little car with the suitcases on top. Popping both of those up using some thin foam squares. And I'll just adhere them onto this white oval. Next, I'll bring in another die cut piece, this time with a sentiment. It's Happy Day. And I love how many of their die cut pieces have the gold foil finish on them. Before I adhere it in place, I am adding some scrap cardstock on the very right hand side where it goes off of the oval. That'll just help keep it nice and level. I'll just adhere it underneath the car. Next, I'll bring in the gold foil puffy stickers that are included in the kit. I'll add the word hello above the pink camper. Now these do have adhesive on the back, but I like to add a little bit of liquid adhesive just to make sure they won't pop off later. Also putting two of the hearts above the sentiment. I love these gold hearts, they're so pretty. For a final finishing touch, I'll also add a mini heart peel off. This is by Love from Lizi, putting it on the door of the pink camper. So there is my finished card, and I did make two using this design. It's so easy to make multiple cards using Spellbinders kits since you have a full 6x6 paper pad and also two each of all of the die cut pieces. I did change up the sentiment since there's only the one sheet of the puffy stickers. Now moving on to card design number 2, I'm using a card sketch for inspiration. This is from Freshly Made Sketches. It's number 500. I'm using two different pattern papers for my card. I have a cream paper with plus signs on the background and then a tone-on-tone green paper. It has a bunch of words all over it. Layering everything on some green cardstock, put my card front onto a card base, and I'll bring in some of the die cut pieces. I love the image of the two pink birds sitting on the branch, and I will pop those up using some foam squares. I'm adding the sentiment, "You are truly the best." Just glue that down using some liquid adhesive. Then I'll adhere the bird die cut piece underneath that sentiment. Also add a little banner that has the sentiment, "Treasure this." Put some of this scrap cardstock on the right hand side where it goes off of that green layer. Just adhere it in place using some liquid adhesive. I'll also put two small hearts. They look like little buttons. They have the two white circles in the center. Glue that peach colored one down first and then popped up the green heart. Then to finish off the card, I'll add just a few of these gold gem stickers from Spellbinders. And there is my finished card. Again, I did make two using this design. I love how this one turned out. The pink and green are so pretty together. Now here's another look at the 4 additional cards I made using Spellbinders September 2021 card kit. If you missed my first video where I made 20 cards using this kit, I'll add a link at the end of this video. Don't forget to head over to my blog. The link is in the description box below for all of the information on Spellbinders blog hop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.